point in case, and this is a great transition, we see things like NFTs or non-fungible tokens popping up in the market right now, and you hear about people selling them for these unbelievable amounts of wealth. Well, that's because people give price to exactly whatever they want to give value to, and that would be called a medium of exchange. One example that I'd like to put out with NFTs, and I don't mean all NFTs because I'm not anti-NFT. I think they have awesome use cases. I love seeing artists post albums on NFTs and making people get more familiar with blockchains. I love, artists that have the ability to do whatever they want with their NFTs in that sense. It's an awesome tool. But what I don't like is the speculative market of smarter money taking these tools and selling to the less intelligent and less financially literate money. And I don't want to say robbing them because it's not like that. And I know not every project is like that, but it just reminds me of the Bitcoin market in 2019 and 2020, and that's a whole